Alright, so we are bonding the actual PLAs all together. We're using the glue. And we sand it first prior to setting it up, fixing it together. So we have 16 pieces that we have to do. And it's a lot of work. But little by little, we're getting the mask in there, getting ready for holidays, Halloween, which is not a holiday, but almost done. Pieces almost coming on. We got 5 more to go. So right now it's black. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna sand it tomorrow. We're gonna actually put bond and let it dry and then sand it, smooth it out and paint it out and gloss it up. So come on, check our adventures out. See how we do. And we'll come back. All right, here's my 3D print of Glamora Chica. We're gonna, there's a lot of dents, holes missing because the print didn't come out 100% good. It's a little bit off sometimes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to recover as much as we can. Put some putty all over the place. Make sure it's even. And tomorrow we're gonna start sanding it. That's gonna be the hardest part. But today we finished the helmet. It's a little bit too tight, so we are gonna cut it. I'm gonna measure exactly where I'm gonna cut it. It's gonna be 21 inches, halfway around, probably this part, the back end. Then we're gonna start stuffing it with so it can have a sponge inside, so it can hold on to the helmet. It's a little heavy, so we're gonna thin it down too, also. But we need to sand it. But before I do sand it, I'm gonna do some putty. Completely dried up already. So we're done. We're gonna let it dry completely. Alright, this is the mask I've been working on. For the putty, I put it right in the nose. It's not that bad because I want to make sure minimum of the lines. I'm gonna sand it some more down so it can match up. But now that we have the bondo set up everywhere, it's a little glowy, but it's fine. I'm gonna sand it so you can even out the whole edges and everything. And like I said, I even cover. It's been about a year and a half since we built this. Right now, my daughter doesn't want to throw it away. It's a heavy piece, but she doesn't want to throw it away because it gives it great memories. 3D printed ribbon. This is a foam. Eyes, I printed them out. And if you guys can see, I put mesh underneath. You can still see some of the glue I did. Earring, just a cardboard or a foam. And I drilled it in too, but I make sure there was no cap inside, nothing sharp inside, right?